Hey guys, welcome to the video. So we do this every year where we go over advent calendars, and this one today we're going to be talking about the Sephora advent calendar for holiday of 2022. And this year there isn't just one advent calendar, there is an advent calendar extension, if you will. So we have the 24 days advent calendar as well as 6 more additional days. And you guys know every year the Sephora calendar is incredibly horrible. Well, guess what? Nothing's changed. So we're gonna go over the products and why we still don't think it's worth it this year for the money, and just kind of give you all of that jazz details and stuff. I feel embarrassed talking about this because it's just bad. It always is so bad. Don't buy it. let's go over this together. So if you're into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you are watching this and you have not subscribed already. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So we have the Wishing You Advent Calendar. This is $45, and I cannot wait to go over the products in here with you. So, an advent calendar with 24 beauty surprises to enjoy as you celebrate the season and count down the days to Christmas. What else you need to know? Discover the perfect assortment of makeup, skincare, bath, and accessory surprises in Sephora Collections Wishing You Advent Calendar. This year, it'll be hard to wait until the 24th to discover an accessory you won't want to be without. The calendar was developed responsibly using cardboard from sustainably managed forests. Yeah, so they mean this year it'll be hard to wait until the 24th to discover all the products, to see why each day you're opening up products that suck, and you're just going through thinking that the 24th day is going to be like the one that's worth it, and it's not going to be. It's not. So this advent calendar contains a mini, big, by definition defining and volumizing mascara. So you get a mini mascara. There is a mini eyeliner pencil to go in 01 Intense Black. So a mini eyeliner. You get 2 colorful eyeshadows in the shades Flawless and No Place Like Home. So you get 2 single shadows. I would assume these are considered full-size products. Then there is a cream lip stain liquid lipstick in Always Red. I feel like this is in here every year. I feel like am having deja vu. I really do. I feel like that's been in here every year before. And I guess that is a full size. Then we have a mini lip liner to go in 03 Classic Red. So a mini lip liner. And then we have a mini all day hyaluronic acid hydrator moisturizer. A mini clean skin gel cleanser with prebiotics. A mini brightening eye cream with caffeine and hyaluronic acid. You get 2 shower cream capsules in the flavors Cotton Flower and Monoi. Monoi, M-O-N-O-I, Monoi, Hoi Monoi, SpongeBob, no, okay. Then we have Hemp Clean Cleansing and Gentle Exfoliating Wipes. Clean Charcoal Nose Strip. 1 nose strip. Then we have a cherry lip mask, a watermelon clean face mask, a caffeine clean eye mask. Then there's 2 nail polishes, 2 mini nail polishes in L41 Cherry Popsicle and Top Coat. Then you get a nail file. Every year they put in a nail file. Actually, they pretty much put all of this in the calendars, but here we are with a nail file again. A makeup sponge. You get a hair tie, a mini gusha tool, gusha, G-U-A-S-H-A. It's the little, like, you know, the tool. There's a pocket mirror and wishing you adhesive tape. That's a new one for me. A little adhesive tape, you know, for doing your... That one's cool, but how much tape do you get? So this is basically the same as last year's. It's still $45. It's still absolutely ridiculously priced. Give it 2 more weeks, probably more than that, but give it a little bit, and this will be discounted for like $25, $20, $18. This set is literally worth to me, and would sell better and not have negative reviews if this was like 20 bucks or 15 bucks, because none of this is worth that much. And it's Sephora brand. Like, come on. Like, there's some good Sephora brand products, but it's an advent calendar, and, you know, every year there's complaints. Every year everybody hates it, and Sephora doesn't care about their advent calendars. And we've already known that Sephora really doesn't care too much about their customers, so, or their rewards. So I guess it makes sense that this year they didn't do better at all. So when I saw that they had like the extension advent calendar for $25, at first I was like, okay, so there's another one, maybe this one is better. I don't know. But I love how they have Sephora quality with a money symbol, really good price on here for $25. And I just love that they're trying to like sneak that in there, like it's a really good price, $25. And if you're just going on trying to, like, you know, be surprised, you don't know how many products are really in here, what's in here, and it's like really good price. So this is the Sephora collection wishing you after advent calendar, so wishing you after the 24 days of Christmas. So $25, and man, still not any better. So what is it? It's a Sephora collection after calendar that takes you from Christmas to the new year with 2 beauty surprises each day. The holiday season will last until New Year's Eve with the Sephora collection after advent calendar. It gives you 2 surprises per day for 6 days, including makeup, bath, and skincare to discover each day to take care of yourself and shine until the 31st. This beauty gift set is full of different products, making it the perfect gift. This calendar was also developed responsibly. The cardboard was produced from sustainably managed forests. So, what exactly does this set contain? You get charcoal exfoliating wipes. You get the Manoi shower cream capsule, if I'm saying that correctly. You get a mini all-day hydrator. You get watermelon eye masks, a watermelon lip balm. You get a cherry lip mask, a cream lip stain in the shade 13 Marvelous Mauve. So you get a full-size lip product. That's cool. You get a colorful blush in 01 Shame on You, which is, I believe, also a full-size blush, so that's cool. You get the Gel Effect Top Coat, a nail file, a mini eye pencil in 01 Intense Black, and a colorful eyeshadow in number 281 Satin Course. So I love how there's the blush, which I assume is a full-size product. The mini lip balm is cute because those things dry out really quickly. The single shadow's a really pretty color. The mini eyeliner is great. And a full-size lip product is cool. You know, the top coat's handy if you need one. Everything else is just kind of like womp. But $25, you guys. What do you think these advent calendars are worth? Because I feel like this is like a $10 advent calendar. Yeah, like $10, not $25, and like the $45 is worth like 20, 18 on the real. And I love how these are online only, so people can really just like click and buy, and they don't really just go through because they want the surprise and they're not in store, so they're not like physically looking at it and being like, God, this is not a good value, this sucks balls, you know. So this is me going over the products, showing you what is in here, and warning you not to waste your money. Please don't buy this for a loved one, because they're gonna be very disappointed. It would be cute to get this for someone who's like younger, like a child, when it's on sale, you know, just playing with makeup, you know, doing their thing and stuff. I think I would prefer this over like, you know, say like the dollar store, $20, you get like 5,000 like shadows and stuff. I would get that over, I would get the Sephora over that. But wait till it's discounted, you guys. Don't buy it now. And yeah. Hopefully you're not disappointed if you get this or anything like that, because it's never good. It's never worth the money. You guys already know. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Should Sephora do better next year? Will Sephora do better next year? Let me know down in the comments. And thank you for being here and watching and just talking with me and chilling, talking about this. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.